Xiaomi may have just pulled off one of the boldest and smartest moves in modern consumer tech, and oddly enough, they did it without flashy launch events, loud influencer campaigns, or massive global hype. While most of the tech world has been distracted by the Ray-Ban, Meta glasses and the promise of futuristic augmented reality eyewear, Xiaomi quietly released a pair of AI-powered smart glasses that cost dramatically less, way noticeably less, and are arguably far more practical for everyday use. What makes this even more impressive is the fact that most people still don't know these glasses exist, which gives early adopters a massive advantage. These glasses are not perfect, but Xiaomi's approach is refreshingly grounded in reality. Instead of chasing science fiction style AR projections and half-baked holograms, Xiaomi focused on what users actually complain about when it comes to smart glasses: discomfort, poor battery life, limited camera usefulness, and AI features that sound impressive on paper but fail in real-world usage. The result is a product that feels intentional, wearable all day, and genuinely useful rather than experimental. The philosophy behind these glasses becomes clear the moment you understand the compromises Xiaomi chose not to make. Many competing smart glasses are weighed down by unnecessary displays, underpowered processors crammed into frames, or AI systems that barely function without ruining battery life. Xiaomi avoided that trap entirely. These are not AR glasses, and they were never meant to be. There is no heads-up display, no floating text in front of your eyes, and no attempt to replace your smartphone. Instead, Xiaomi designed them as camera plus audio smart glasses that integrate seamlessly with your phone, offloading heavy computation while keeping the glasses themselves light, efficient, and comfortable. One of the biggest highlights is the camera system, which is shockingly capable considering the size and price. Xiaomi equips these glasses with a 12-megapixel camera with a large aperture, allowing for bright, clean photos and surprisingly sharp 2K video. The truly clever detail here is the 4:3 recording format. Instead of locking users into a single aspect ratio, this allows one recording to be cropped into both 16:9 landscape and vertical formats like 9:16 or 9:6 without losing critical framing. For creators who post across YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Shorts-based platforms, this flexibility is a game changer. You no longer need to film twice or compromise composition. Stabilization is quite impressive during everyday movement like walking or casual motion, only showing limitation during extreme head movements, which is more a matter of physics than camera quality. Operation is intuitive and fast, designed for real life rather than staged content. A simple tap takes a photo, a long press starts video recording. And everything about the interface reinforces the idea that these are meant for spontaneous moments rather than slow, deliberate filming setups. And because there's no display built into the glasses, you're not distracted while capturing moments, which also makes the device feel far more socially acceptable in public spaces. AI is another area where Xiaomi made a smart decision instead of chasing buzzwords. Rather than forcing weak, power-hungry processors into the glasses themselves, Xiaomi routes AI functions through your phone. This approach dramatically improves performance while preserving battery life. Through HyperOS AI integration, users can interact with AI assistants such as ChatGPT, conduct real-time conversations, perform basic visual recognition, and even handle translations using the glasses' 5 microphones and dual speakers. Translation works but is not instant. There is noticeable lag, especially in non-Chinese languages, which makes it functional but not flawless. Visual recognition through photos is surprisingly capable, able to identify objects and provide contextual info, though for most everyday users this will feel more like a bonus than a necessity. Comfort is where Xiaomi truly shines and arguably outclasses every major competitor. The standard version weighs around 40 grams, while the prescription version reaches about 54 grams, both lighter than Ray-Ban Meta glasses. That difference might sound small, but on the face, it's massive. These glasses can genuinely be worn all day without discomfort. The frame design, optimized for Asian facial structures, still adapts well to a wide range of face shapes. The optional semi-transparent frame is a standout design choice. revealing internal components in a way that feels futuristic without being gimmicky. The nose bridge is well balanced, doesn't pinch, and remains comfortable even after hours of continuous use, which is a massive win for anyone who plans on wearing them daily rather than occasionally. Audio performance is another pleasant surprise. Xiaomi uses an open-ear audio system that combines speaker placement and bone conduction-like technology to deliver sound clearly without blocking your ears. This allows you to hear music calls and assistant responses while remaining fully aware of your surroundings, making these ideal for city use, cycling, or walking through crowded areas. Voices come through clearly. Music quality is more than adequate for casual listening, and the experience often feels more natural than in-ear earbuds, especially in environments where situational awareness is important. Battery life is handled intelligently rather than impressively on paper. You get around 8 hours of mixed usage, which includes audio playback, AI interactions, and light camera use, or roughly 40 to 45 minutes of continuous video recording. More importantly, Xiaomi allows you to charge the glasses while wearing them using an angled magnetic connector. Pair that with a power bank and creators can extend filming sessions indefinitely, which is a feature almost no competitor offers. There's also an electrochromic version that functions as smart sunglasses, allowing users to instantly switch between 4 tint levels with a swipe. This transforms the glasses from clear lenses to sun protection in seconds, adding genuine real-world value rather than novelty. Of course, the glasses are not without limitations. AI features perform best in Chinese, and English support can feel inconsistent. Translation delays are noticeable, and there is no AR display or visual overlay of any kind. The software experience still feels first generation, with clear room for refinement and improvement over time. But when you consider the price, typically around $280 for the standard version and up to $420 for advanced lens options, the value proposition becomes undeniable. These glasses are ideal for users who want hands-free filming, all-day comfort, open-ear audio, and practical AI integration without spending close to $1,000. Comparing Xiaomi AI smart glasses to Ray-Ban Meta glasses highlights how different the two philosophies really are. Xiaomi prioritizes technical capability, battery endurance, and AI utility, while Ray-Ban leans heavily into fashion, brand appeal, and social usability. Xiaomi offers electrochromic lenses that switch states in seconds, better battery life, longer continuous recording, and deeper AI functionality including translation, object recognition, productivity features, and payments. Ray-Ban, on the other hand, delivers better brand recognition, familiar styling, and an ecosystem that appeals more to lifestyle users than tech enthusiasts. Camera capabilities are similar on paper, but Xiaomi's longer recording times and flexible aspect ratios give it a major edge for content creators. Audio quality differs slightly, with Ray-Ban focusing more on bass and call clarity, while Xiaomi emphasizes balance, privacy, and situational awareness. Pricing ultimately seals the deal. Xiaomi delivers more features for less money, even though availability remains limited to select markets. Ray-Ban Meta glasses remain more globally accessible and aesthetically familiar, which makes them appealing to a different audience. In the end, Xiaomi made a decision that feels both conservative and revolutionary at the same time. They didn't try to change the world of eyewear overnight. Instead, they solved real problems, focused on comfort, efficiency, and usability, and delivered a product that feels ready for daily life rather than a demo of future technology. And that is exactly why Xiaomi's AI Smart Glasses may quietly become one of the most important wearable releases of 2025.